Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. And today we're picking up this BMW that we bought it a few days ago from Salvage Auction, and we're gonna tow it back to our shop and see what's going on, what's happening with that car. Here we go, ready to pay for that BMW. All right, now it's on a trailer.
When I see your light shine, I'm on home. When I see your light shine, I'm on home. When I see your light shine, I'm home.
And now the car home, and we're gonna do first cold start. All right, so ignition on. Dead battery. Can you bring me a jumper? Make sure you put it correctly. Positive and negative. Okay, hold that. Let's see. Let's do another shot. All right. Woo! Okay. I guess we have to put it on the lift and see. Alright folks, so as we checked before, the damage on the front, so front bumper cover, look at the slides, look at that. Woo! Nice. The bumper cover, and we have damage here on the top of the roof right here. I think not bad, fixable. The molding is missing here. The front windshield is busted, and so what else we got here? A couple of scratches on the back bumper, dents right here, a few dents here, but looks like everything works for now. Heated seats. I think it's not bad. So we got her inside the shop, and the first thing we see, dude, she's leaking. Trying to put some windshield fluid, and now there's a lot of water on the floor. What? Look what happened. Oh my goodness. Wow. See what happened there? Strut is completely ripped off from the place. I think it's time to smash the like button. Well, let's check it out what the other wheels look like. This one right here. Looks fine, I guess. Nice. Yep, let's check it out on the back one. This one was okay. So, looks like it's just the front driver's side strut that we didn't expect will be broken. But this is what happens when you buy a car. From the auction, you must expect the things that will appear while you're gonna fix the car. So, one thing that we didn't expect, strut. So, this side looks okay. No visible damage or scratches, you know, from the bottom, just like in here. Looks like it was parallel. A few scratches here on the plastic. Some denting here. Main damage on this wheel, pretty much, if you can see right here, the scratches, it's like deep scratches on the control arm and the lower control arm. And that's why it probably was hit so hard and ripped off the strut. But if we go in here, everything looks okay, just some dirt, but nothing major. In here on the rear, same thing, it's just like some of dirt here, but looks like all the control arms is okay. Like even here you can see the rear differential is kind of parallel, even lower than exhaust pipes, muffler pipe, and no scratches even here, just a little bit of dust, dirt, a little bit of dirt here. Same thing on this side of the lower control arm, some dirt, but no visual damage. Pretty much I think this should be fine. And only thing pretty much we got here, the problem, it's not a problem, but so we have to buy a strut that we thought it will be just fine, but it is what it is. But overall it's not bad. Looks like some antifreeze or the oil. Yeah, probably typical oil leak as on any V8 BMWs. Some seals started leaking. And also right here that I never saw it before, here's a crack, actually missing piece from the lower trim. Looks like windshield fluid was leaking just because of the pump was just not in the place. Let's put it back, let's see. Okay. It might resolve the problem. Easy. Yeah. Oh. And so what do we got here on the bumper cover? Looks like all the brackets is in place. Alright, so looks like here the bracket between the fender and the bumper cover, missing some plastics, it's cracked, so it's broken. But as long as the bumper cover is fine. And here on tabs is okay. Alright, so let's check it out, the tire, if there's any cuts in the tire. Nope, tire looks completely fine. That's good. What do you think is gonna look better, with the wing or without the wing? Wow, I think it looks sick. Oh my goodness. But I don't know what to choose, which way to go. With the spoiler or without the spoiler. I think at least for the spoiler, it's time to smash the like button. This model of BMW 6 Series, I think it looks amazing. I mean, the body style is great. And it's a V8, 325 horsepower, 330 pounds of torque for a stock engine. And of course, this one is automatic transmission. You know what? What is your opinion? Let me know in the comment below. And don't forget to put a like. And if you are new to our channel, click subscribe and keep in touch.